What's up everyone, Landon here with LMR.com, and today I'm going to be checking out this charcoal canister bracket from industry leader 5.0 Resto, designed for the 1982 to 1993 Fox body Mustangs. This charcoal canister bracket is going to appeal to the Fox purist out there wanting to replace a damaged or missing bracket. 5.0 Resto's bracket is manufactured from high quality steel right here in Texas and then powder coated black to resist the elements. Of course, in the box will be one bracket, and it is designed to fit 1982 to 1993 Mustangs. From underneath the car, loosen and remove the two 1/2-inch retaining bolts. Bring the charcoal canister down, and then remove the two vacuum lines. The canister can now be fully removed from the car. On a workbench, loosen and remove the 8mm retaining bolt, securing the canister to the bracket. Remove the old bracket from the canister. Position the new bracket into place, and then align the bolt holes. Reinstall and retighten the 8mm bolt. Now, because of the fresh metal, the 8mm bolt is going to cut new threads into the new bracket. Reinstall the bracket and canister into the car, and then retighten the retaining bolts. Then you can go ahead and reconnect your vacuum lines, and you're all finished. There you have it, guys, another easy restoration item from the Fox body preservation artists over at 5.0 Resto. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.